Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in Revit architecture. I am architect Sonorai from Glad Studio, and in this today video tutorial I am going to teach you how to find the quantity of water required for brickwork and plastering work in a project. So I have taken one simple room size here, 3 meter by 3 meter, and there are some windows and door. So we will find the quantity of water required for this brickwork. So if you will refer my previous tutorial, I have taught you how to find the quantity of cement and sand and brick also, how much bricks is required. So you can refer my previous tutorial, and those who have not referred, they can also follow my step-by-step guidance here, and they can understand easily how to find the quantity of water. So if I am going to my previous tutorials notes, here you can see that in this case I have taken the brick size as 190 into 90 into 90 mm. So this is the modular brick, and I have assumed the mortar thickness as 10 mm. You can also take 12 mm, and in this case cement mortar ratio I have taken 1:6. So to find this required volume amount of cement mortar, you are required to deduct from brickwork volume 1 cubic meter minus volume of your brickwork. So you are required to find volume of one brick with mortar, that is the brick size is 200 into 100 into 100. So you have to add 10 mm into this 190 plus 10, 200, 90 plus 10, 100, 90 plus 10, 100, and you have to convert it into meter. So it will come 0.002 cubic meter. And again, you can see this volume of one brick mortar will be without mortar will be this much, 190 into 90 into 90, which will come 0.001539 cubic meter. This all I have discussed in my previous tutorial, and 500 bricks are required for this much brick size in 1 cubic meter. So you can also refer that previous tutorial. So you can see that volume of 500 bricks without mortar is 0.7695 cubic meter. So required amount of cement mortar is 1 cubic meter minus volume of bricks without mortar. So 1 minus 0.76, so 0.23 cubic meter in wet condition is the cement mortar amount, and the calculated volume is in wet condition, which means we need 0.2305 cubic meter of cement mortar in mixed condition. So to find the dry volume, we need to multiply 33% as bulkage of sand. So dry volume of mortar will come this much, 0.230 into 1.3. So we have multiplied 33%, so it will come 0.306565 cubic meter. So in this case our mortar ratio is 1:6. If your ratio is 1:4, 1:5, you can write here, and then you can find. So 1 part of cement and 6 part of sand, total is 7. So density of cement is 1440 kg. So to calculate the cement quantity, we have taken 1 part of cement and 7 part of sand. So this is the formula. Required amount of cement quantity in 1 meter cube brickwork is dry volume of mortar multiplied by ratio of cement divided by ratio of cement plus sand. So dry volume you have to multiply with ratio of cement, that is 1, so 0.0437. So and if you will divide by ratio, that is 1 plus 6 will 7, it will come this much value, 0.0437. So quantity of cement in kg is equal to quantity of cement into density of cement. So this will come 62 kg of cement. So number of bags of cement required will be 1.24 bags, that is in 1 meter cube you are requiring 62 divided by 1 kg weight of cement, that is 50. So in 1 bag of cement there are 50 kg of cement, so you have to divide 62 divided by 50, that it will come 1.24 bag in 1 cubic meter. So cost of cement you can find by number of bags into cost of 1 bag of cement. So after this you are required to find the quantity of sand in 1 meter cube. So formula will be same, dry volume of mortar into ratio of sand. In the previous case we have taken ratio of cement, so you are required to take ratio of sand, that is 6 here, and then you have to divide again by ratio of cement plus sand, that is 7, so it will come 0.262 meter cube. To calculate the quantity of sand in kg, we have to multiply it with the density. So for river sand, it will come 432.3 kg, and formula will be quantity of sand into density of sand, and for manufactured sand, M sand, it will come 484.7 kg. And to find the quantity of water, we are required to use 20% of total dry material, that is cement and sand, their weight, and we have to add 20%. So quantity of water will be 20 divided by 100, that is 0.20 into weight of cement plus weight of sand, that is dry material. So weight of cement in this case is 62 kg and weight of sand is 432.3. that this is for river sand. You can see this is the in kg 432.3. this is the quantity of sand, and this is the quantity of cement in dry condition. So 494.3 liters of water is required to do the brickwork in 1 cubic meter using this ratio 1:6. So this you can use in Revit. So let's back to our Revit here. So now we are going to schedule and quantities here, and you can refer my previous tutorial, and in this I have calculated the number of cement and quantity of cement and quantity of sand and their cost. So again I am going to edit this here and will use water here, and so I am going to use a formula on our node. So I am going to write here quantity of water, and I will enter a formula here. So now we'll first select this quantity of sand, and we'll add dry volume of cement also, and in this case the cement are in number of bags, so there are 8 bags. So if you refer here, you can see there are 8 number of cement bags. 8 total is 8 here, and in the weight of 1 kg of cement is 50 kg, so we have to multiply the total number of cement bags by 50. So now again I'm going to select this quantity of water, and I'm going to enter a formula here, quantity of sand. Then you have to add your dry volume of cement also, the quantity of cement. So I'm going to add here, and there are 8 number of bags, so we have to write number of cement bags here. Number of cement bags you can select from this list. You are not required to write, you are required to select from this list number of cement bags, and then you are required to multiply by 50 here, because weight of kg of bag of cement is 50 kg. So now you will close the bracket, and then you have to take 20% of this total dry addition of cement and sand quantity. So I am going to take 20%. So you are required to multiply this with 0.2, and you will click OK. You are required to close this bracket also, and we'll click OK. And click OK. So now you can see this is the quantity of water here, and we will add this. So we'll select all this thing here, and we'll go to format unit, and I will uncheck this box, and I will take to fixed quantity. So this is required quantity in liters of water. So you can go to fields here, and you can go to edit, and you can go to formatting, and you can also select this quantity of water, and you can go to no calculation to calculate totals, and click OK. So this is the 667 liters of water is required for this much of brickwork in 3 meter by 3 meter. So this was the tutorial for the today's session. In the next session, I will come with some more interesting topics in Revit. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.